Journey to Little Big Bird, where Little Big Bird hides and Elmo seeks. I'll hide behind this bear. Elmo won't find me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here we come. Wow. I have a feeling we're not on Sesame Street anymore. I wonder where Little Big Bird's hiding. What was that clue? He gave me. He said, if you want to find me, look for me behind the bear. Aha! Do you see what I see? Yep. Gotcha, Little Big Bird. You found me. It's Little Big Bird. It's me. I know you anywhere, but when you laugh, ha ha ha, the Little Big Bird feathers in the beak and your feet tells us you're the one. We found him, la 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 la. Our journey to Little Big Bird is done. Bye-bye. Bye. Come back tomorrow for another game of Journey to Little Big Bird.